Yo, I don't really have good lighting, so I'm going to somewhere. I want to see my new. Okay, this is the goodest lighting. This is the goodest lighting that I'm going to get. As you guys can. What?
Oh, okay.
What? Okay. So, like, as you guys can see, I already did my makeup.
You're so good at the camera again.
I actually did my makeup today. Like, I did my makeup today.
He also did mine.
And, I got some new fidgets coming
Yeah,
back.
I died.
Coming back with new fidgets.
Half of them are for me.
And so, like, pineapple squishy.
That's for me. Okay, how do I, like, exit?
Yeah, pineapple squishy. Original dimple.
Which I gave to him.
And then dimple digit.
Here.
The sparkly.
What's happening? It's literally your turn.
And then this one.
No, give me the controller.
And an infinity cube. A black one.
Which I gave to him. Which was kind of my favorite, but whatever.
So, yeah, and I got a bunch of fidgets.
We got rainbow ink.
Yes. So, yeah, those are all my fidgets. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.